What is up, guys? That's DJI back again with another video. So this is technically not another video. I did record my morning ride, but then like after 10 minutes it's so cold. The transmitter got disconnected, so we ended up having no audio, so I'm just gonna scrap that whole footage. I tried doing some speed runs this morning, both directions. It was so windy, 17 mile per hour winds, and I only reached 48 miles an hour this morning, so not even worth it. I've done faster on the scooter when it was less windy, so I'm just gonna scrap that footage. And then right now I don't even know where I want to ride right now at the moment. Like, I have the whole afternoon free. I don't have work, none of that, so I could ride to other places if I really wanted to, but let's just start riding and like figure out where we're gonna go. So I've confirmed that both my tires are sitting. What is it? It's got loose. It's gotten loose. Gotta tighten this up with the wrench when I get home. What was I saying? Yeah, so I've confirmed that both my tires are at 51-ish psi because I got this air pump and I inflated them to about 53, and taking it back off, they might have lost 1 or 2 psi, so they're sitting at about 51 psi, give or take. And let me show you guys. So 1 foot on the scooter, check out the wheel spin. See, it's not that crazy, and we are at, hold on, let me show you guys the voltage. 78 volts. It should definitely be more wheel spin if I have one leg up on the scooter. And this is not a weight factor thing, because I only weigh 170 pounds and the scooter has a weight capacity of how much was it again? Of 400. So it's really odd that I personally feel like this is not outputting the full 10,000 watts of power that other owners have reported. There's someone in the student drivers. There's somebody in the China budget electric scooters Reddit Discord that said that they got 61 miles per hour GPS, and I think somebody else mentioned they got 63 miles per hour GPS. So it's really a me issue. Right now I'm using the twist part of the throttle, and honestly I've grown quite comfortable on it, I'm not gonna lie. Like the amount of throttle that I have to give. Damn, she trying to get onto the bus, but the bus driver won't open the door. I hate when they do that. Like you literally see the person coming and you still decide to leave them there. That's so selfish of them, bro. Like, just why? Even when the bus is not fully empty, some drivers like to do that. I like how bright the brake lights are on this scooter. And instead of having one kind of big one like on the Hawk, this has 2 eagle eyes on each side, which blink whenever you're braking. My grip is definitely better when I use the twist part. So this is a 2-in-1 throttle. You could either twist it like so or use the thumb part, which I've been using mostly. But this here is not bad at all. But I still want to get wider handlebars. Heck yeah. Ooh, his turn signal is broken. Is that a guy or girl? I can't tell. Sick bike. I said that's sick, bro. How fast it go? How fast does your bike go?
Huh?
How fast does it go?
Oh, it's 50 miles.
50? Oh, okay, cool.
It's the college, home college.
Alright, nice. Thank you, bro. See ya. Alright, so where should I ride? Right now it's cloudy as hell and it's cold. It's 54 degrees with a high of what was it again? With a high of 57 today, which is gonna be way later in the afternoon, because right now with the way it's looking like, it's not gonna be 57 anytime soon with how cold it is. Yeah, so this morning I complained about the rear shock. Definitely gonna replace those, man. I'm hoping to get the F1 Zong shocks, or FZ for short, and these are supposedly better than KKEs and other types of adjustable suspension. But the problem I have is I found a listing for it and you have to order 10 of them on Alibaba or else they won't ship to you, which I don't need 10 of them, so like that's gonna be overkill. But I'm doing some research though. I'm trying to find out where to get them, best place to get them, and what size to get. Taking it slow around the kids. Oh, that's the guy on the bike. Take the scooter to Trelly Trissom. Why not? It feels super windy right now. I'll do the wrench test someday. I'm just not sure like which course should I take, because depending on which path I take for the range test, results could vary, because one path would be faster than the other. So let's say for example I do like I did for the Hawk, from Brooklyn to Queens, Cross Bay Boulevard, and then down to Rockaway, Queens, and then back to Brooklyn via the Marine Parkway Bridge, which is about 22 miles or so. But I know this scooter can handle it, just 22 miles. The Hawk did 31 miles on the range test, so this can definitely do better. Once we get to the trail, that's where the real fun starts. So just so I have good data and that it doesn't get lost or anything like that. I've got both Insta360 running with the GPS and Strava as well, so we can get backup GPS data in case anything happens. I don't like using Strava because the speed is not like real time, you know what I mean? Like I could be going from 0 to 20, and then like when I get to 20, that's when it like starts to like show the speed, like 20, 21, 23. Anyways, let's ride. It is now 7, the scooter is now at 77 volts. All right, let's get it. It's so windy going this direction. The winds are heading southwest, so we're definitely being impacted right now. Heading westward, eastward I mean. Interesting. Slow around the beach. Look at all these cars. I think people actually like swimming during this bad of a temperature. Hopefully not, but I know some people are that crazy. It's so freaking windy, bro. God damn. We're still easily going 40 plus despite how windy it is. Also gotta watch out for 3 leaves during the fall months, because leaves are so slippery, especially when you are on 2 wheels. Oh my gosh, the wind. My knee guard is sliding down. Alright, this thing is so stable without a steering damper. Check this out. What is this? 20 plus? Very stable. Oh my gosh. See, heading south. Like right now we're heading south. I'm not feeling the wind like at all. Should we continue down and then head back up? I have a lot of free time to kill, so fuck it. Yeah, it's definitely windy, but really not that much. Let's head to the park here. What's the name? This one right here. To test the top speed in both directions. Then we'll just enter through here. Front forks are amazing for off-roading. Praise to the front forks, but the rear shock, trash. Completely honest, trash. Alright, so we're here now. Ooh, okay. Very empty. Nice, just how I like it. This morning they had like freaking 20 of the street cleaning trucks over here, I think for training, because there's literally nothing to clean here. They were just spinning around in circles. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I don't know where most of my audience is. Maybe you're out of NYC, but even if you are, ever since Friday, this new thing came into effect where speed limits got lowered to 15 miles per hour for e-bikes and e-scooters. E-scooters have always been 15 miles per hour, but e-bikes were capped at 20 in the city. So that's a bummer. I believe on the day of or the day after, they had NYPD people distributing flyers to let people know that it came into effect. Let's put on the GPS app so I can see the top speed I reach. You guys will be able to see it because I have both Insta360 and Strava for like data, but that's only after I finish recording the video that I'll be able to like see. I want to see for myself though, feel me? So, man, why is it taking so long? Okay, let's go. And then now back to Insta360. 17 mile per hour winds, by the way, so keep that in mind. And it's very, very cloudy at the moment. Coast is clear. This. 1, 2, 3, go. We're being pushed to the side by the wind. Oh my god. It's so bad, bro. Alright, let's go to the end of the strip and run it on the opposite direction. I saw 50 something on the the display. All right, let's check in. 47 miles per hour and the display was reading 53. What the hell? That's such a big like discrepancy. and we're down to 73.8 volts. Ouch. Let these guys go by first. I don't know what everybody came here to do. Like, there's nothing to do here. Motorcycle incoming. Oh my god, bro, what the hell are these people even like coming here to do? During the summer, this spot used to be empty as hell, and now that it's fall, like, there's mad people here. I literally don't understand it. Like, how does that even make sense? Coast is clear, and the rear so far. Let me fix these. All right. Now let's keep our speed. 1, 2, 3, go. Heading east, heading west, there is no wind resistance though, but I don't have a stretch heading west that's long enough to do the speed run. So even if there's no wind, see, immediately as I'm heading north now, I can feel the wind picking up. Watch, when I take this left turn here, heading west, the wind suddenly disappears, bro. Now we're heading north, and it picked up again. Anyways, that was a bust. Oh, I did not check how fast that was on that run. Hold up. 44 miles per hour, even worse. But anyways, back to riding, bro. I hate gloomy days like this. It's cloudy as hell, but it's not even gonna rain. Not only that, it's cold as hell too. It's 54 degrees. Fall used to be like 60 degrees, like back in the day, aka last year around this time. Let's get on the road here. Wait, there's an entrance here? No way. Anyways, we're gonna get back on the trail, like at the light. I thought I would have a lot of fun today, because the next coming couple days are all rainy. Thursday, Friday, rain. Tomorrow, Wednesday, I believe there's also gonna be some rain. Today is October the 28th, Tuesday, by the way. And my lips are dehydrated. Today sucks. It sucks for riding. What the hell? There's a traffic cone like by the highway. I would go down and take it, but at the same time I don't want to be hit as well. So alright, somebody will figure it out. This video's been pretty boring, not gonna lie, because of how fucking windy it is. But once it gets better, I'll film. If tomorrow I see that the weather's gonna be as crappy, I'm not even gonna bother pulling out the camera to record if it's gonna be that windy and cold, because it's just not fun when it's windy and cold. I got the steering damper that came in yesterday. It's a 13-inch steering damper for motorcycles, and I have not yet installed it because I only have one screw, and I need two to hold the steering damper in place. And I'm trying to figure out like where can I get these screws from, like a store to buy them from. Online will take too long. I want to get it today, so I'm planning on checking out an AutoZone, because apparently they should have it, but we'll see. The region on this is actually satisfying. Hold on, we've got it at 3 out of how many? 3 out of 10, which feels pretty good to me. It's not too jerky, slows down the scooter good enough, not too aggressive. I like it there at 3. We had it at 5 and that was too much. Anyone who has their region set to more than 5, like, what are you doing? The other day I lost my microphone. That should have been the last video you guys saw when the audio cut off at the end. If you didn't see that video, just know I was at the Rockaway Pier, which is, by the way, shut down because of the government shutdown, which sucks. But anyways, that's beyond the point. Mic fell like by the Rockaway Pier and I did not notice. Reason why you guys were able to have audio despite me being far is because the mic has a range of 1,300 feet if it's hooked up to the transmitter, which is insane. But after I left that 1,300 feet range, the audio just fully cut out. So I watched the video to find out where it fell, because the mic wasn't attached to my jacket, and went to go get it. Luckily it was undamaged, like not a single scratch. One day I will give you guys a full sand ride. Just I hope the day that I do that the temperatures get better, like 60s, because right now I'm checking my weather app and I'm not seeing any days with 60 degree or more for the week. Be careful around this exit here, because you never know. And we have a car in the bike lane. My hands are so cold, bro. I need to get me some new gloves. Is that a car piece? Yeah, it looks like it's part of a car. It's so cold. 17 mile per hour winds and I'm going like 40 miles an hour, bro. It sucks, needless to say. Winter, this thing is sitting at home, bro. No more videos in the winter of me riding this, because no way. Like today, I can see how bad it is. What are you doing? Doesn't she see the sign? It says after stop, you fucking turn. Some people are just blind. They see after stop, turn. but they ignored their after stop sign and just turned. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment, all of that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We're down to 72 volt at the moment, 72.1, and that was a 12.3 mile ride. Cool. So yeah, I already told you guys, like, subscribe, comment, all that. And I'm still affiliated with Yume, so if you want to get a scooter, use my link, save yourself $30 off of your purchase. It's not much, but it's some money at least, you know. Better than nothing. I guess I'm gonna just end the video here, guys. Peace.